Hi there, today we are going to create this beautiful text effect in Adobe Photoshop step by step. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Photoshop. I have already created a new file in Photoshop. I downloaded this picture from unsplash.com because I am going to use it for the text effect. The download link for the image is given in the description. You can download it if you want. I am selecting a color from the image for the background using the Adobe tool. Press Alt Backspace to fill the color in the background. Turn on the image, select the type tool and type your letter. Set the text color to white. Enlarge the text as needed. I am using Roboto black font. Right click on the right side of the text layer and select Convert to Shape. Press Ctrl Z twice to make two copies of the layer. Now double click on the thumbnail of the middle text layer. Select the background color and make the color a little darker and hit OK. Set the blend mode to multiply. Select the selection tool and press Ctrl T. Hold Ctrl T and drag this point downwards something like that. And click OK. Then go to the filter, inside blur gallery, select tilt shift. Select convert to a smart object. Drag this point to the left side of the letter and set these bars vertically. Set the blur value to 50 and hit OK. Now double click on the thumbnail of the top layer and select background color. This time make the color a little lighter. And hit OK. Create a new layer. Right click on the right side of the layer. Select Create Clipping Mask. Select the gradient tool and select Gradient Editor. Here select a one-side transparent gradient. Select the left gradient slider and select background color and hit OK. Now apply the gradient left to right, something like that. Select the top text layer and press Ctrl T. Hold down Ctrl and drag this point upwards, something like that. Right click on the text layer and select Warp. Bend this point slightly downwards. And bend these points down too. Now double click on the right side of the layer. Here check bevel and emboss. Set the texture and shading values exactly here. Fill the background color in the color box below. Hit OK. Now turn on the image and adjust as you like. Place the image above the first text layer and right click on the image layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Now double click on the right side of the text layer. Here select Inner Shadow. Click on the color box and select background color and make the color a little darker. Hit OK and keep the rest as is. Then select Drop Shadow. Here click on the color box and select background color. Make the color lighter and hit OK. Set the distance and size value to 5 and keep the rest as is. Hit OK. Finally, the effect is ready. I also created effects on these letters using the same method. So that is it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.